Hello guys, and welcome to another Financial Markets Weekly Update video. My name is Styliana and I'm the Head of Investments and Market Research at Pure, and in today's video we're going to see how the commodities, stocks and crypto markets reacted to the news, and also what to expect in the current week from the markets. Let's start with the previous week recap. The most important news of the previous week were the Consumer Price Index. The Consumer Price Index increased by 8.3% annually, down from 8.5% in March, as a drop in gasoline prices offset a continuing run-up in food, rent, and other costs. President Joe Biden called inflation the nation's top economic challenge, blaming the twin crises of a once-in-a-century pandemic and the war in Ukraine. I want every American to know that I'm taking inflation very seriously and it's my top domestic priority, Biden said. Now guys, let's move on and see what happened in the crypto markets in the previous week and what we have in the current week for crypto. Vitalik and Zhapeng Zhao share thoughts on Terra's action plan. Vitalik Buterin, the creator of Ethereum, critiqued the entire premise of UST by stating that algorithmic stablecoins, has become a propaganda term serving to legitimize uncollateralized stables by putting them in the same bucket as collateralized stables like Ray or Day, and we need to really emphasize that the two are very different. He went to further question the transparency of Do Kwon and the Luna Foundation Board's accounting for its Bitcoin reserves. Vitalik also called on Terra to prioritize small retail holders over whales in any proposed reimbursement plans, drawing an unrelated parallel to the Singapore employment laws policies as a model. In other news, President Nayib Bukele announced 44 countries to meet in El Salvador to discuss Bitcoin. On late Sunday, El Salvador's President Nayib Bukele tweeted that tomorrow 32 central banks and 12 financial authorities will meet in El Salvador to discuss financial inclusion, digital economy, banking the unbanked, the Bitcoin rollout and its benefits in our country. Also, UK to go ahead with stablecoin regulations after Queen's approval. In new financial legislation introduced by the Queen, the UK Treasury Department indicated it will include proposals to regulate the crypto sector as a payment channel. The Treasury has stated that algorithmic stablecoins like UST do not ensure stability in the same way that traditional reserve-backed stablecoins do. Now guys, let's move into the current week's news. The week ahead finds a busy economic calendar alongside a series of Fed appearances which remain in focus given uncertainties over the pace of monetary policy tightening. Both the United States and China will update retail sales and industrial production figures for April, providing insights into second quarter gross domestic product performances. In Europe, Eurozone Q1 GDP and inflation numbers will be due. Meanwhile, UK inflation and labour market data will be released to add clues as to the challenges facing the Central Bank of England. Gross domestic product data releases from Japan, Thailand and Singapore are also lined up for this week. That's all the news for the current week, guys. That's also what happened in the previous week. If you have any questions or if you want to open a trading account with us, you can contact us through our social media or our website. We'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you for watching and wishing you a profitable trading week.